Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox not opening on your Windows PC. First, close Roblox completely. Right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, look for Roblox or Roblox Game Client. If you see them running, click on each one and select End Task. After that, try opening Roblox again. If Roblox still does not launch, run it as an administrator. Right-click the Roblox Player shortcut on your desktop and choose Open File Location. Find Roblox Player beta.exe, right-click it, and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and enable Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Now try launching Roblox again. Another common reason is corrupted temporary files. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type %localapp.%Roblox and press Enter. Inside the Roblox folder, delete the versions folder, or you can delete everything inside the Roblox folder. Restart your computer after that. Then open the Roblox website, log into your account, and launch any game. Roblox will automatically download fresh files. If the issue continues, perform a clean reinstall. Open the control panel and uninstall Roblox from your PC. Once it is removed, go to the official Roblox website, sign into your account, and start any game. This will download and install the latest official version of Roblox. After completing these steps, Roblox should open normally again. Thanks for watching.